So today, I'll be going over the different features using Google Sheets. So first things, you go through your Google Drive and click on the New tab and bring up Google Sheets. You then see this page, which automatically reminds you of Excel, which is typically what Google Sheets is. It just allows you to pretty much have access to Excel without having to download the software. So here you can see everything works exactly like Excel. You click right here, it'll bring up what block you're in. From here you have the normal file button where you can share, open new, save, then you have your edit tab, your view tab, insert, and so on, just like the normal Excel would. Here you could present to a meeting the file if you wish, and here's also share. So then another cool feature would be you go to Sheets Home right here, and it'll bring up templates for budgeting. So go ahead and click on monthly budget, and here you can see it brings up a template of different types of budgeting, which you could then change yourself as you wish. So pretty cool little format. If you're running a business and whatnot, to be able to have this, it just makes it much more simpler instead of having to go in and insert charts and graphs and things like that.